90% property owner only realize something wrong after an instance when the footage is missing, skipping, or totally unusable. I'm Andy, founders of Foxtone CCTV. We are your neighborhood's trusted security partner in Brisbane. From AI CCTV, video intercom, access control, to network cabling, security alarm, and smoke alarms. We provide an all-in-one solutions for apartments, commercial properties, and homes. We are the distributor of AVTECH Security, which is NDAA-compliant, meeting Australian and international standards. So you know it's completely cyber safe, with specialized teams for installation, maintenance, and after-sales service. We are here to support you with almost 20 years of solid experience. For body corporates, we offer end-to-end service. No need to deal with multiple contractors, only one point of contact. Whether you are overseas or simply off-site, our system lets you monitor everything in real time right from your phone. We don't just install systems, we prevent regrets. Because when it comes to security, waiting is not an option.